CareCella W Rocket Cream and W Rocket Pack Kit. W Rocket Cream and W Rocket Pack Kit. For a beautiful décolletage. Helps to improve the appearance of wrinkles and skin texture of the breasts. How to use W Rocket Cream. Contains a high content of volufiline to help maintain a beautiful décolletage. May also be used on the hips. Use the cream daily and the pack kit 1 to 2 times a week. Cleanse the target area before use. Apply an appropriate amount to desired area. Massage for 15 to 20 minutes until the product is fully absorbed. For a beautiful décolletage. We recommend using this product for 3 to 6 months. When using both products, you can experience amazing results, provides a lifting effect, and helps to improve the appearance of wrinkles. Use the W Rocket Pack Kit for 30 minutes and remove the sheet mask, then apply W Rocket Cream and massage until fully absorbed. Avoid caffeine consumption while using these products. Daily consistent massage is very important. We recommend a balanced diet. Fasting or low-calorie diets may interfere with effectivity of this product.